We need to drop the enthusiasm. We need to drop the surety. Now, I want you sold on your products, your solutions, your services, your company, but that does not separate us from everybody else that, Jason, if I could just have 5 minutes of your time, man, I've got something really exciting. We've got some new updates and I'd love to just, I know they're gonna be great for your practice. It's just gonna be awesome if I could just have 5 minutes of your time. Hey, I'm really busy, thanks, bye, right? Why do you think we're getting these types of calls? Like, listen, I'm gonna give you some derivations of Easton University just so you can kind of feel the difference, okay? Let's say I was calling to sell you Easton University. Here's how typical salespeople make that call. Beep, boop, 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 720-660-3202. That's my mobile, by the way, if you guys ever need it. You call me, I see the little either unlisted number or something funky on my caller ID. What do? I let it go to I let it go to voicemail. 80% of salespeople do what? Hang up. They don't leave a voicemail, okay? The ones that do, of the 20% that do, it sounds something like this. Hey, Jason, this is Matt Easton with Easton University. We are the leading sales coaching company in the industry. I'm really excited to get in touch with you. If I could just have 5 minutes of your time, if you could call me here at the office, 800-628-1456. And when we lead with that level of excitement, delete. I'm not calling that person back.